As you already know, all the programs of Microsoft Office package can contain executable Visual Basic code. You can create different scripts, so-called macros, to make documents more flexible and interactive. As I mentioned, it is not vulnerability, but attackers can abuse this feature. In this video, we will review how to create Microsoft Word document with malicious macro using Metasploit. This document we will send to the user. By default, all macros are disabled, but using methods of social engineering, it is possible to convince user to run a macro. If you are not familiar with Visual Basic, don't worry, Metasploit will do everything for you. First, let's select appropriate exploit. We can use a search command with a macro keyword. And several exploits are displayed, but we're interested in the first one. As the payload, we set Meterpreter. Now we need to set up options. In Custom Template, we can set a path to any legitimate document. In this document, we are going to inject our malicious code. In File Name, we set the name of output file. And finally, in lhost, we set IP address of attacker's computer. All the options are set, and we can run exploit. Our malicious file is saved in this directory. We will copy this file to the web server directory to download it from victim's machine. Now we need to launch a listener. Let's download and open the file on victim's machine. Let's see what we have on Kali. And we have Meterpreter session. We can close the document because Meterpreter is not bounded with this process. But there is a question. Which process is the payload injected in? In our case, the new separate process is created. To find it, just execute getPit in Meterpreter session. It will help us to find which process is used by Meterpreter. Now open Windows Task Manager, and let's try to find our process by its ID. And here it is. Let's open its properties. We can see the name of process and location of executable file. It looks very suspicious. To make it less suspicious, we can automatically migrate Meterpreter to another process, for example, Windows Explorer. Now in Metasploit type Show Advanced command. It will show us additional options which we can set in selected exploit and payload. In Payload module, we need the following options: Prepend Migrate and Prepend Migrate process. Prepend Migrate activates automatic process migration. And Prepend Migrate process contains the name of destination process in which we are going to inject a payload. If you run the file with given options, Meterpreter process will be migrated to the desired destination process. But please remember that sometimes automatic migration can fail.